So in this video, I'll show you how you can create presentation with just a topic. So what do I mean by that? You will just provide this topic to AI and AI is going to create presentation right inside Google Slides with all the images, topic, and the bullet points. Sounds fun? Let's see how we can do that. But before we do, make sure to check out our previous video in which I showed you how you can use a lot of piece of text, not a topic, but actually a lot of piece of text and generate a presentation from that. This presentation, which you can see right in front of me, was generated using Gen Z Wikipedia page, providing all that text, just pasting it there, providing the language of output to be Hindi. So let's see the topic in this one. But before we continue, just one more time, make sure to check out the previous video. Okay, so how are we going to generate a presentation with just the topic? The first step is going to be installing Magic Slides app. If you don't know or haven't installed it already, visit magicslides.app and then click on install to get started. Once you will click on install to get started, you will be redirected to this page where you can click on install button. Once you will click on install, it will show some steps like continue. You just need to do continue, choose your email account, and then it will be installed, right? I'm going to uninstall because I already have it installed and developed away. So now, once you have that installed in your email, you will be able to see it in this extensions tab. If you're not able to, just reload the page. Open any Google slide. So you can just visit Google slide and then just create a new slide. If you don't know how to do that, just type slide.new and it will create a new presentation for you. Now, once you have a presentation, what you need to do is visit this extensions tab, visit Magic Slides and click on open. Once you will open that up, let me just continue reauthorization. And you can see we don't require a lot of permissions, just, yeah. So I'm going to copy this topic, open up the add-on again, and we will, so this first is the feature we discussed in the previous video. We will discuss the text in this one. So you can see it says enter a topic and then click generate. If you have relevant data, you can include it in the reference text. Okay, so we also have this reference text option that, like the previous one, you can actually add some information to it. But let's say we don't want to add anything. We'll just want the generate the presentation. I want them a lot of slides. Let's just keep English for this one and just give AI a few seconds. Once the presentation will be done, I'll be right back. So as you can see, all the presentations are generated. I'm going to click on this one and you can see the rise of social media influencers. We have the introduction, definition of social media influencer, types of influencer, benefits for brands, challenges for influencers, influencer marketing strategy, influencer metrics, impact on traditional and advertising, ethical considerations, influencer controversies, future trends, and the conclusion. So see, you just provided a topic and the AI came up with everything. You have the images and all of them. AI tries its best, but due to the copyright and everything, we cannot use and get any image from the internet. So that's why we use this pixels image. You can see there is a, so these images which you have in the presentation, these are non-copyrighted images. But if you want, let's say you feel that, you know, some while it has got actually good like challenges for influencer benefits, it has got a very good images, but if you want to change, you can just click on it and just click on the replace image. So this was how you can create presentation using the topic, and previously we discussed about how you can create presentation using a lot of text. Now let's see how we can customize this presentation. So we have generated this presentation, right? So it will be available in the show activity. So if you will click on the show activity, you will be able to have a look at your presentation. So you see this rise of social media influencer, you can have a look at it. Previously, I created this one. So we can look at that. We created this one. We can look at that. We created this one. We can look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to color and font option. So before I created this presentation, I can go to the color and font option and choose a template. So this template, you can see this is predefined already for you, the accent color, the background color, the text color, the body font, the title font. If you want to customize it, you can customize each and everything. But I am more of like a, if you change just a template, everything is like kind of pre-filled, pre-designed for you. So I'm going to choose this vintage rose, which is kind of a very different than this one. So yeah, let's give it a try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to summarize, show activity, and I'm going to just kind of get regenerated this presentation only. Make sure the replace existing slides is there so that these presentations get replaced. And go to show activity, um, click on this and click on restore. Well, what happens is when you click on restore, it will get this particular presentation and put it with the latest styling which you have chosen. So let's just give it a few seconds. And there we go. So you see this particular styling, the font, the colors are now chosen. The images has changed, so not all of them, some of them. But yeah, when you regenerate, this happens. But overall, you can customize a lot of things. You can customize the color, you can customize it, the font, as I said. Okay, so this is for this video. In next video, we are going to see how the translation works, and we will try to generate presentation in different languages, providing text in different languages. We will test both the summarize and the text. Um, so we will be providing a lot of text in different language and generate a presentation in a different language. We'll provide a topic in different language and we'll generate a presentation in different language. Just try to play with the translation or how the translation um, thing works on Magic Slides, generating different presentation with different languages. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one.